Hi, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the difference between value function and number value function in Microsoft Excel. Both these functions, what they do is they convert a text that looks like a number into a number. So here we see that happening with 9326553 or December 21. What is the advantage of using a number value function? So in some countries we see different convention being applied. For example, in Spanish, thousands are separated with a dot and comma is used for decimal points. In some countries, thousands separated is given with a space. So when you have numbers like these things, that's where number value function can come into picture, because value function will fail in both these cases. Whereas when it comes to number value function, you can specify the spacing. So here I can say, the number is B11 and the decimal separator is a comma and the thousand separator is a dot, and I get the correct value here. Similarly, in the next case, I'm going to say, here is the number, the decimal separator could be a comma, and the thousand separator is a space. So that's it. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.